The distinct aroma of Bengali cuisine is mostly due to the blend of spices known as Panch Phoron. Panch means five and Phoron is flavor or spice. Hence, it is commonly called as Five Spice. Panch Phoron is a colourful blend of mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, kalonji or nigella seeds, also known as black cumin, and cumin seeds, all in equal proportions and mixed. All of the spices in Panch Phoron are seeds. Unlike most spice mixes, Panch Phoron is always used whole and never ground. Used essentially in the cuisines of Bangladesh, Eastern India, and Southern Nepal. In the traditions of Odia, Maithili cuisine, Nepali cuisine, and Bengali cuisine, Panch Phoron is typically tempered in mustard oil or ghee, which causes it to immediately pop and release its oil. After tempering, other ingredients are added and fried along with spices. Traditionally, Panch Phoron is used with vegetables, chicken, fish, lentils, and also in pickles. Now that the famous Bengali Five Spice mix is ready, use it to flavor your curries.